I am a huge fan of multicolored 3D printing. However, this right here is absolutely ridiculous. Look at this. This is just from a failed print. If I had finished the entire print, it would have been way more than this. This is extremely wasteful, extremely time consuming, and very inefficient. But fortunately, we do have printers like the Creator 5 and Creator 5 Pro from Flashforge, which will be releasing very soon. And I did say last year that this was going to be the year of the tool changer, and so did a whole lot of other people. But I genuinely believe that, and we're seeing that come into fruition. So let's go on ahead and talk about it. We can see here on the landing page, it says Creator 5 series print up to 500% faster, near zero waste, and this is going to be in comparison to a single nozzle printer, such as the Flashforge 85X, which is also capable of multicolor printing. But let's see what makes this that much faster. If we scroll down a little bit, we see less weighting and zero waste. We see that it's going to be faster because it has 4 tool heads rather than having one single nozzle that'll be swapping between all the different colors. So all of those colors will be loaded into each of the tools, and then the print head will go on ahead and grab one of those tools according to what it is that's required for that print. And so we see tool switching for less waste, and we have more stability. So we have auto calibration and vibration compensation. We also have a demonstration video of how the tool changer works. So it does its printing, and then it parks whatever tool head it was just using, and then it switches between them according to what is required for that print, whether it be a different color or just a different material. As of this video, the Creator 5 and the Creator 5 Pro will be available for reservation. It's a $10 deposit, and you can see here between March 23rd and April 19th, you can put down your deposit. From April 20th to the 30th is when you pay the final balance, and then early May it'll be shipping. Something you're going to see on this page a lot is this 500% faster, because they want to really emphasize how much faster your productivity is going to be with this printer because of it being a tool changer. Zero purge waste during material switching is an absolute killer, because we can see with the Creator 5, there's not going to be any need for it to purge out filament, because all that filament is going to be loaded in each of the different tools. And with others, which is going to be a printer such as the Flashforge 85X, it has to go in park, and then it has to retract the filament, load in a new spool, purge out a whole bunch of filament, and it gets really wasteful, and it takes a long time as well. This here is one of my favorite slides, the near zero waste maximum output. So we can see a direct comparison between the single nozzle printer versus the Creator 5. So on this exact print right here, it's going to take 16 hours on a single nozzle printer and 2.6 hours on the Creator 5, which is going to significantly increase your productivity, and the amount of material that goes to waste is significantly less as well. 290 grams versus 47.5. That is absolutely insane. And then we have another example, the Mosaic color block vase. So 48 hours on a single nozzle printer and then 15 hours on the Creator 5. And as far as the material, 419 grams with the single nozzle printer and 109 grams with the Creator 5. We've also got some print quality improvements, such as dynamic flow calibration and active vibration compensation. So you can see a significant difference in the quality when each of them are off or on. So let's talk about the build volume. On previous Flashforge printers, it was 220 millimeters cubed, but now the build volume for the Creator 5 and the Creator 5 Pro is 256 millimeters cubed, which is pretty okay. It's, I would say, average for a modern 3D printer. Not the largest, not the biggest, but if this is what they have to do in order to keep the price at where it's at and compensate for the research and development, I'm perfectly okay with this. So for some of the other features, as we've been talking about, the 4 tool heads, the max speed is going to be 600 millimeters per second with an acceleration of 30,000 millimeters per second, which is pretty commonplace amongst the high-end printers. Device fleet management on PC and mobile. This is a really good thing, because if you're familiar with the previous Flashforge app, it was extremely bare bones. You can control the printer, and that was pretty much it. But it seems like they're taking the same approach that Bamboo did with their ecosystem, where you're able to actually see a bunch of prints on the app, and you're able to send the prints through the app, which is really fantastic. So now we get to talk about the key differences between the Creator 5 and the Creator 5 Pro. So you can see here, safe, quiet, and stable printing every time. Our fully enclosed design keeps you, your printer, kids, and pets safe while controlling fumes and reducing noise from 65 decibels to 55 decibels. Now, anyone that has an enclosed printer and an open air printer, you know the difference between them, and the sound is significant. It says here, these stable temperatures ensure smoother layers and consistently high quality prints, which is obviously a really nice thing. Not only is this an enclosed printer, but it also has a heated chamber, and you can see here, rapidly heats to 65 degrees Celsius with precise control, eliminates warping and cracking for ABS, ASA, PSA, polycarbonate, and nylon, ensuring perfect dimensional accuracy. And this is going to be really good for those of you that like to print with engineering grade materials. And then we have the cooling, continuous airflow, stable printing, which is perfect for PLA, TPU, PETG, and PLA-CF, which are some of your more basic materials. And we also have some air purification. So this is going to be good for those of you that are really concerned about the vox of the printer. If you're using the open air printer, you won't have to really worry about that with the Creator 5 Pro. At the bottom of the page, we can see the spec differences between the two, and really the biggest difference is going to be because the Creator 5 Pro is an enclosed printer. We do have the active chamber heating and the air filtration, and so you can print with some more engineering grade materials, but they both have a max bed temperature of 120 degrees Celsius and a max extruder temperature of 320 degrees Celsius, which is really good across the board. And that's pretty much everything for the landing page about the Creator 5 and the Creator 5 Pro. If you guys do want to reserve one, if you go to the link in the description, it'll take you straight to this page where you can reserve either one of these printers. I'm going to have my hands on one soon thanks to Flashforge. They'll be sending me the Creator 5, and I can't wait to make some videos on this. And if you guys do like the video, go on ahead and hit the thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I'll definitely have some more videos in the future. I haven't been too consistent lately, but I've been a lot more motivated to start posting some more YouTube videos, especially because I'm pretty hyped for the Creator 5. So like I said, subscribe and like the video if you did.